everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the pastor wants a wife. Yesterday was the final episode of season 2. People has been waiting for this day to put all the assumptions to rest. Well guys, the pastor Cheho is handsome, but he was labeled as a person who wasn't ready to be a husband or settle down, and a person who likes women. Two ladies reveal something about him. Elina Mandla said they kissed out of the camera, and ubuye wacela ama pictures kubabalwa, which she assumed ngathi ubemfuna, yet he eliminated her. Most people were sure, including myself, ukuthi upastor Cheho uzokhetha uDudu, but his decision was, I'm not choosing anyone. I didn't get what I was looking for. And yes guys, he is allowed to tell if akakutholi lokhu abekufuna, and it's okay to tell the truth. It's okay not to choose for the sake of choosing, but follow your heart. From what I saw yesterday guys, Elina Mandla and Babalwa were bitter, and bebecabanga ukuthi ibono bekufanele babe ku top 3, not Dudu no Carol. Reading a message kaBabalwa abelwa ngayo ethi yathunyelwa upastor kuma DMs akhe, I didn't see what she was insinuating guys. And yes, before she was eliminated, I really thought they had a chance. No pastor, like they are beautiful, both of them guys. Well, that was season 2 of Pastor Wants a Wife, and he didn't choose anyone, hoping he'll find what he's looking for. Season season 3 guys, and hoping izinto zizohluka from what we saw this season. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.